Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boil shrimp and how long it takes to boil shrimp. Now, the first two things you want to make sure of is you want to make sure that you have your pot of water at a rolling boil. You see the bubbles are coming up in the bottom, it's very hot. That's the rolling boil. And the other thing is you want to make sure that you have enough water in your pot, obviously, to cover up all the shrimp that you're going to put in there. Make sure they're good and covered by the water when you put them in. And now we've got a pound of fresh white shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in now. And as I put them in, you're gonna see that they're starting to turn pink relatively quickly. That's one of the first things you wanna look for is you wanna start with look at a pink, orangish look. Now, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give us a like for this video, we really would appreciate that. And one thing I just wanted to point out real quick is remember that the shrimp were a gray color and the meat was kind of gray color. And now the shrimp have turned the pinkish orange color that you see when they're boiled. And you also see that the meat has turned white now. So that's how quickly these shrimp are done. They're finished. We're just gonna give them a little bit more time to cook. Just stir them a little bit just to let them cook a little more evenly. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn the burner off, let them finish cooking. We do have a lot of other cooking recipes on our channel if you want to check those out. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers, and this is how to boil shrimp and how long to boil shrimp. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, have a great day. Thank you for watching.